Hello everyone out there. Hello amazing humans at home. In this scene, we have this number 5625 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5625. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5625 by 2. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 5625 by 3, which equals 1875. So 5625 divided by 3 equals 1875. Dividing 1875 by 3, which equals 625. So 1875 divided by 3 equals 625. Dividing 625 by 3. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 625 by 5, which equals 125. So 625 divided by 5 equals 125. Dividing 125 by 5, which equals 25. So 125 divided by 5 equals 25. Dividing 25 by 5, which equals 5. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Dividing 5 by 5, which equals 1. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5625 are 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which can be written as 3 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 4. And this were the whole prime factors for this number. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon.